Here's how you can elevate your English by replacing basic phrases with advanced expressions. Let's dive into 30 examples that will enhance your vocabulary and make your speech more sophisticated. I'm nervous. I've got butterflies. It's simple. It's straightforward. I'm proud. I'm beaming with pride. It's wrong. It's out of line. I'm tired. I'm worn out. It's dirty. It's filthy. I'm in trouble. I'm in hot water. It's old. It's ancient. I'm busy. I've got my hands full. It's expensive. It costs an arm and a leg. I'm shy. I'm reserved. It's interesting. It's captivating. I'm cold. I'm chilled to the bone. I'm scared. I'm petrified. It's funny. It's hilarious. I'm hungry. I'm famished. It's small. It's tiny. I'm happy. I'm overjoyed. It's big. It's enormous. I'm sad. I'm devastated. It's nice. It's wonderful. I'm angry. I'm furious. It's hot. It's scorching. I'm confused. I'm baffled. It's loud. It's deafening. I'm surprised. I'm astonished. It's quiet. It's tranquil. I'm excited. I'm thrilled. It's cheap. It's a bargain. It's bad. It's awful. With these 30 phrases, your English vocabulary will sound more fluent, professional, and engaging. Start using these in daily conversations to notice the difference. Keep practicing, and happy learning. See you in next video.